Today we are going to learn about HTML. So we start with Notepad. HTML is actually abbreviation of Hypertext Markup Language. Previously it was only a text markup language, but later on they also added images and videos, so it became hypertext markup language. So it means it is more than text, so it deals with text as well as images and videos. So let's take a kick start and we start coding in HTML. For standard, we write the first line of this HTML document as the doc type is HTML. It is the standard of HTML5 as well, that we write this line at the start of the document, and it shows that this document that we are going to create is actually an HTML document, and so it is mandatory to write this statement in the HTML5. So after that we write the main tag of this page, that is HTML tag, and we open this tag here and also close this tag. So all the code about the HTML will be written between this tag, and HTML tag further contains two sub tags. One is head, and we open this tag and close this tag this way, and the second one is body. We open this tag and close this tag this way. The body, whatever we write inside the body, it is actually the content of the page, and whatever we write inside the head tag is actually JavaScript or styles about body. So it's a convention that we write this type of code between the head tag, and the actual content of the page comes between the body tag. So JavaScript and style and also the title is written between this head tag. So let's write some code for title. Title is actually, like, here is the title of the notepad. The title is actually something which is shown in the blue bar on the top left corner, like here. This is the title. This is the title. So we write something inside the body tag and head tag. Here we write title. We write something like, you can say, my first HTML page. And this is the body tag, and inside the body tag we write something about something that we want to show on the page. Say we write here h1. h1 is the tag for heading, and h1 is for the main heading, the biggest heading on the page, like in the Microsoft Word, the main heading and subheading. So for the main heading you write h1. It has the biggest size. You can write here anything. Whatever you write between this tag, it will be shown on the page, heading 1. Similarly, you can write the subheadings with this, like this. We write subheading, and it is h2. So this is a sample page. Here we write the main heading, then we wrote the subheading. Similarly, the paragraph can be written this way with the p tag. For paragraph, we open this tag and close this tag. All the text formatting for paragraph will be automatically included by writing this tag. So say this is a sample paragraph. So this is a sample HTML page, and we save this page. How to save this page? Go to the file and here save as, and from save as we do not want to save it as txt because it is an HTML page. We will save it with the extension of .html or .htm. So for this purpose we choose from here all files, and here we write the name of the page. I say first underscore HTML, or simply first dot HTML, and I enclose this name with quotation so that it is saved properly with this extension. And wherever we want to save it, we can save it. Like if we want to save it in this folder that we have opened, I copy this address and paste it here, and so we save it here. So here the page appears, and I double click the page. It will be automatically opened in the browser because here the default browser was Chrome, so it will be opened in Chrome. So this is my first page. This is the main heading that was written by the tag h1, and this is the second heading. We write it h1, we can make it h2, and now I made this change. I will save it this way, and then I will reload the page this way, or you can simply press the F5. And this is the paragraph that we wrote here. This is the paragraph. So this is a sample page, and this is the title. So title is something which is on the top left corner, and it is my first HTML page, and it is written here my first HTML page. So this is the beginning of the HTML, and there are so many tags in HTML that we can use. And whenever you make some change here, like you make some change here, you will save it from here, or by using the keys of Control S. Then you will reload the page, and the changes will be shown here. Also, the code of this page can be seen by making right click here and clicking on this view page source. So this is the code of the page, and it is visible. So all the code of HTML and CSS is visible. You can see the page of the code of HTML and CSS for any website that is available online. And next, there is also a very handy tool in all the browsers. You need to press F12 on the keyboard. I pressed F12, and here let me use the keyboard here, on screen keyboard, so that you can observe how can you press the F12. I think here we don't find F12, so let me press it from this is a function key, and yes, F12, and you will see that this is the you can say debugging portion for this browser. And I click on the element tab. Here you can see all the HTML code, and if you want to inspect any element of this page, you can click this arrow and click on any element. So we will need this functionality in the later lectures. So for now, it is a simple page. You can try it as well. So in the next video, we will see how to insert an image in the HTML page, and how to insert a hyperlink and other useful tags for the HTML page.